welcome back to my channel.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Audrey. Today we're going to be opening Rubik's Cube. A big one, a stickler's cube, a small one, and also a snake. I got this like today. It's literally 3 puzzles, so cheap. There's 2 puzzles and there's a box with like 2 puzzles, and then it's like more expensive. This one is cheaper, so I just got this one. So there's a big Rubik's Cube, a small Rubik's Cube, and a snake. So now let's open it. I already have one, but we got it from like a place. I don't think we need to.
No!
I don't think we need to save this box.
What?
Because it's plastic. I might just break it. Okay, now I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Must open like this.
Okay.
This is the easiest way. But you can open it without scissors though.
Yeah.
Can you sing a song?
Yeah. A, B, C, D.
That's my sis.
E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, now we got this kind of Now we got this instructions on all of the turns, like all of these, like all of this stuff. I don't think I'm gonna need this. Okay, now we're gonna get the cubes out. I might cut my finger. I need to be more careful. Ow, I poked my finger. But this cube is pretty soft. Oh my god, I already turned it. This cube is great. I don't know how to sell one. I just got one for fun. It's pretty like easy to move. Unlike my other cube. Oh my god, I don't know how to fix it back now. Okay, this is easy to turn. So easy. So nice, this cube. Oh. See, there's this. Lighting sucks. Let me do it. Let me open.
Okay.
You cannot open by yourself. You'll cut your finger. Okay?
Okay.
See guys, I'm opening the plastic to the small Rubik's Cube.
Ah! Oh my god!
Glow.
It's mine!
Let me show it, okay?
Okay.
Or else I'll tell you go back to your grandmother.
Okay.
See, this is so small. It's pretty hard to turn. I'm gonna scramble it. And then later find the website to solve it. Because there's like a website that helps you solve Rubik's Cube. But I love this cube. It's so soft. I mean, it's easy to turn. And I won't break it. Definitely. See? Okay, now. Okay, now I'm going to open the big one. I mean, a snake. Somebody please help me. Okay, this is the snake. It's shape of the heart. It's like this.
I made it!
Yes, good,
Oh my
good.
gosh.
This is a snake puzzle. Let me just try to make it straight for once. it has pretty good ASMR sounds.
Oh yeah.
Like this, and then like this, then like this, and then like this, and then like this.
No more.
This is all. What do you expect, Moju? We have to turn this, and then turn this, and then I don't know how to turn it anymore. Like, yeah. I basically now know how to make it straight, but maybe I'll make it into different shapes further on the video. Because it's like a fidget toy. Like those Pop-It things. I do have quite a lot of them. Maybe I'll show you in like a further video.
Yeah.
But let me show you. I think you have to make like a daisy.
So cool.
Yeah, so cool, right? I think you have to make a daisy just like this. Then we turn like here. This is a middle part. I can actually. This is a middle part. Middle part. I mean this. We have to put this somewhere, like here. I don't know. I already unsolved it, but it's pretty. It has great motions. Give me. Okay. This one is pretty hard to turn. Let me try to scramble it. Oops, I solved it.
The triangle.
Haha, no one will know how to solve this anymore. Okay, okay, this is basically the cube. So we got 3 puzzles here. The big cube, the snake, and the small cube. So now, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.
Bye.